Okay guys, here is how you connect a second kill switch to pretty much any KTM EXC after 2010. Here you have the kill switch. It usually has two wires. This one came with the special plug, which I don't really need, and I've taken the wires out. And in this harness of cables, your original kill switch shorts the brown wire from this harness here. Let me just it shorts the brown wire, which is this one, and then with the black and yellow one, which is not in the same plug. So all you need to do is connect one of the wires, doesn't really matter which one, to the brown from this plug, the main plug, and to the yellow and black one. And when you start the bike, so right now, if we try and start it now, it would not start. One second. So when I sort of assemble this just for demonstration and put this here, and now kickstart the bike, it kills it. And that's how you wire a second kill switch.